Are you tired of hearing about ways to make money online that only seem to work for others? Maybe you have tried dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA, only to find it is not as easy as it sounds. You're probably bombarded with motivational videos promising quick cash, but let's be honest, the reality is very different. This video will save you time and money by sharing the truth about making money online. Most online income methods have a learning curve and require effort and time. The real challenge isn't whether they work, but whether they are worth the investment of your time and money. Some approaches might take months or even years to see real results. So the big question is, which method actually delivers results without wasting too much time, effort, or money? To answer that, we have analyzed all the options and found 2 business ideas with real potential. We will share them with you shortly. Stay tuned. The online world can feel like a jungle, full of people trying to sell you all kinds of things. Some even go as far as offering courses about obscure apps no one has heard of, claiming that if you invest $1,000, you'll instantly become a millionaire. Unfortunately, many people fall for these exaggerated promises. That said, not all courses are scams. Some are genuinely valuable. But here's the thing. The information most of these courses teach is often available for free online. A simple YouTube search can give you access to plenty of tutorials and advice. So, what are you paying for when you buy a course? Typically, it's the way the content is organized into a clear, step-by-step process, along with the added benefit of group support, like forums or coaching sessions. These extras can be helpful only if you're willing to put in the effort to research and learn on your own. Now here's an important warning. Be on the lookout for red flag words. If you see terms like automatic, passive, guaranteed, easy, risk-free, or fast, take a step back and think twice. These words are often used to lure people into scams. Real opportunities take effort, time, and a willingness to learn. Without any further delay, let's get into the business ideas. Number 1, Kindle publishing. This business involves publishing books through Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP) platform. To promote and sell your books, you can use paid ads like Amazon ads, Facebook ads, or Instagram ads. But there's also a completely free and increasingly popular alternative, TikTok. Here's how it works. If you search specific hashtags on TikTok, you'll find many people selling their books through Amazon. They post 2 to 3 videos daily showcasing their books and aim to create viral content. Once they find a video style or formula that goes viral, they replicate it. This strategy works for all kinds of books, but is especially effective for items with high viral potential, like journals, diaries, coloring books, and funny or quirky books. For example, let us say you create a book priced at $16. Then your net profit per sale will be around $7. If one of your TikTok videos gets 100,000 views and 1% of viewers buy the book, you have just sold 1,000 copies. Doing the math, that single video could earn you around $7,000. Pretty impressive for minimal investment. Here's a step-by-step guide to get started. Create a KDP account. Sign up on the Amazon KDP platform. Create your book. This could be anything from a journal to a coloring book or even a funny gag book. Set up a TikTok profile. Create an account dedicated to promoting your book. Publish your book. List it on KDP with an appealing description and cover design. Post 2 to 3 TikTok videos daily. Focus on engaging, creative content. Monitor what performs well and replicate the strategies behind your viral videos. Kindle publishing, combined with TikTok's viral power, is a low-cost way to make a substantial income. Number 2, YouTube. Some YouTube channels have built loyal audiences and earned great income with just a few well-planned videos. To understand how much you can earn on YouTube, you need to know 2 key terms. CPM, the amount advertisers pay for every 1,000 monetized views. RPM, the actual amount you earn for every 1,000 total views. Once you meet YouTube's requirements for monetization, you can start earning money from ads shown on your videos. But ads aren't the only way to earn. YouTube offers several ways to monetize your channel. Here's how to get started. Pick a niche. Choose a topic you're interested in, and that has the potential to be profitable. Research your audience. Understand who you are creating videos for. Create your content. This includes planning the video, writing the script, recording, editing, designing a thumbnail, and optimizing the title, description, and tags. You can do all this yourself or hire help for parts of the process. Publish your video. Once it's live, monitor its performance. Keep an eye on two important metrics: CTR, how often people click on your video when they see it, and audience retention. The better these numbers, the more YouTube will recommend your content to new viewers. Both YouTube and other online businesses can work if you're willing to put in the time. Remember, the path won't always be smooth. You will face challenges, but each one will teach you new skills and make you better prepared for the future. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. See you in the next video.